What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel on another tutorial, and in today's video I will show you how to trim or to cut a video or clip using Adobe Premiere Pro. So I will urge you to grab a cup of coffee or a bag of popcorns, sit back, relax, and maybe you'll get to learn something today. So yes, straight to work. I will show you how it is done, and yeah, I hope it will go well and good. So the first thing you will do, you will open Adobe Premiere Pro like this, and for me I've already imported the video I'll be using to show you how to cut or to trim a video in and out using Adobe Premiere Pro. So I've already imported my video like it is here, and so the next thing I will do, I will play my video on the source panel under the editing layout on my left upside. As you can see on my left upside where we have my video which I've imported. So the next thing I will do, I will play so that you can be able to see how it is. What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be talking about 3 gadgets or 3 equipments every photographer should have. So stay tuned and I hope you'll enjoy the video. So the first equipment which I'll be showcasing to you is the speed light. For me, I'm using the Godox TT600 speed light from Godox, and the importance of using a speed light is that it helps you while shooting in places where we have total darkness or places where we have minimal lighting. For example, in indoors where we have minimal lighting. The second equipment which I'll be showcasing to you is the zoom lens. Apart from having a kit lens as a photographer, you should be having an extra lens. For me, I went for the zoom lens since it helps me while capturing photos where the subject or object is at far. The last but not least equipment which I'll be showcasing to you is the tripod. As a photographer, the importance of using a tripod is that it helps you while shooting still photos. So if you don't want any movement or any shaking at all, you get to use a tripod. So that has been my quick guide on 3 equipments every photographer should be having. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you'll get subscribed to my YouTube channel and like my video. And until next time, see you on my next video. So that is my video, and let's say I want to cut the first frame. Let me play. What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be talking about 3 gadgets or 3 equipments every photographer should have. So stay tuned and I hope you'll enjoy the video. So the first let me say that I want to cut the video where the second frame is starting. So at here where I'm starting my review or my showcasing of equipments. So my first equipment, let's say I want to start the video at there. So the thing I will do, you should get to understand this. I will press I on my laptop or whatever you're using, either it's a computer or your laptop. You will press I to mark in. Speed light from Godox, and the importance of using a speed light is that it helps you while shooting in places where we have total darkness or places where we have minimal lighting. For example, in indoors where we have minimal lighting. The second equipment which I'll be showcasing to you is the zoom lens. Apart from having a kit lens as a photographer, you should be having an extra lens. For me, I went for the zoom lens since it helps me while capturing photos where the subject or object is at far. The last but not least equipment. And let's say I want to cut out my video which is on the source panel under the editing layout. Let's say I want to cut my video on where I'm starting showcasing the tripod, specifically the tripod. So the thing I will do, at where the tripod, I'm starting to showcase the tripod, I will go at there and I will press O on my laptop, or if you're using your a computer, you'll press O to cut out the video on where you want the video to end. So I will press O So I will left click, I will press O on my laptop. Pardon, not to left click, but is to press O, not on your mouse. You press O on your laptop or on your computer. So I will press O like that, and after that is done, since I want the both video and audio, I will left click on my mouse on the source panel, and I will drag the video and together with the audio on the timeline like that, and I will play the video so that you can be able to see the different on the video I played you at first when I was starting the video, and the video which I've cut in and I've cut out. So yes, here's the video on the other side of my laptop on the top right side. Now is not, you will be looking at the top right side of my laptop. So I will play the video. 600 speed light from Godox, and the importance of using a speed light is that it helps you while shooting in places where we have total darkness or places where we have minimal lighting. For example, in indoors where we have minimal lighting. The second equipment which I'll be showcasing to you is the zoom lens. Apart from having a kit lens as a photographer, you should be having an extra lens. For me, I went for the zoom lens since it helps me while capturing photos where the subject or object is at far. As you can see, I've cut out the introduction, and I've also cut out the part where I'm showcasing my tripod, and I've also cut my last part where I finished the video and I was saying you will subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so that is how to cut in and to cut out a video under the source panel, under the editing layout. So yes, that is how it is done. So yeah, that has been my quick tutorial on how to trim or to cut a video or clip using Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you have learned something today and you will get to practice so that it can be easy for you and more flexible for you while you are doing your editing. So yes, I hope you will subscribe to my channel and like my video, and if you have any question, please let me know down in the comments below. And until next time, see you on my next video.